complete.
So it's working now?
No, wait. No, it's not.
It's not working. So it's totally intermittent, right?
There is an airlock. But wait, so now, because I turned it up so much, I turn it down a bit, like that, and I go to the other shower, and I can actually fix it by going to the other shower.
Okay.
Here. I go to the other shower, and this shower works in here.
Okay.
So that means when I switch this shower on, because it works, it gets the pump going.
Okay, and then I'll go back to the other place.
And then the other shower works. It goes freaking bananas. So this...
Oh yeah, it is working now.
Yeah, so... And because the pump is so powerful, you have to turn it down because it will empty out the hot water in no time. Sometimes when I turn it down, I lose the pressure, which I might have done now, and I got no more water again. Then I have to run naked, half wet, into the other bathroom, which is really lovely.
This is crazy.
This is where the...
So walk me through the whole pump installation. So the tank is up there. Let me just get a quick...
I'm not a plumber, so he said something...
So the tank is here, and the pump used to be here too, right?
Yeah, it used to be underneath it, but on the level of the floor.
Okay, level of the floor.
And then
the pump used to be
and
there.
then after breaking it, or it got broken, or it...
So it needed repairing.
He said, oh, I think we must try and get the pump lower. It could well be that the pump is too low now for some reason.
Okay, so there's the hot water. Here's where the tank is. Here's where the pump is now.
Yeah, so it's a good... What is that measurement from the ceiling down?
I don't know, a good meter down maybe?
No, not as much as that.
Half
even.
a meter?
Yeah, it's half a meter further down than it used to be.
So, and then the next issue here is this pump has been replaced twice.
Yeah, but that is possibly him. Don't say that, because then they want to have their money back, probably.
So this is the pump. Which pump? Is it both of these? The green and the...
I don't know.
Looks like it's got bronze fittings there.
No, it's a CTFORCE, it says here.
CT4. So you would say that this pump is maybe a bit too powerful?
Wow, that's what
Because it just empties the tank?
That's what I suggested to him.
So first off, we got this airlock problem, and then we don't know if this is fitted correctly because the last two installations made it break. How did it break? It just stopped working. How did it break? Just say.
I don't know. Yeah, stopped working, burned out. And it may have actually been his fault. I mean, and that's what I suggested. Perhaps the pump is too strong for our needs.
Okay.
But don't forget that the other shower is miles away from here.
Okay. I think that's all I need.